Welcome in the actual website. From now on, we will create our own .com. bWAPP is actually a buggy web application which has somewhat more than 100 web vulnerabilities. It has bbox. bWAPP web application is just few MB and the bbox is more than 1 GB. I would like to recommend you to download this speaker version, that is bbox, more than no need to buy any hosting service or do anything to host your bWAPP web this web application. But here in bbox, it comes with VirtualBox. You have to just download it. It will be inside Ubuntu, and the Ubuntu it. As I have already downloaded it and extracted it, so here it how it looks when you extract it. Inside bbox folder, bbox install readme, all the notes are given. If you want, you can read it, else just follow what I am explaining here. The bbox after extraction, it's near to 5 GB. Just open it up and double click on bbox VMware Virtual Machine. Make sure that you have installed the VMware before double clicking. Sure you have opted for NAT. That's it. Before going any further, as I have opted for I'll open the Firefox browser here. Would like to open some random website. Let me open Facebook. The Facebook loads up. If off, if it is turned on, the website will not load up. And in network setting, make sure to set it at NAT as I have shown just now. That's all. Now our Ubuntu server is running and online. At which the website is hosted. I'll just copy it up and I'll open that website in Windows question within 24 hours. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.